do want to talk about approvals. So you do have the ability to set up approvals here. And so if you turn this on, there's two types of approvals. There's multi-level approvals, right? So I can set up 3 levels of approval. So if I do this, I can say, Eshwar is the initial approver, and then it comes to me, and then it winds up with Gopal, for example, right? So I can set these up, and what's going to happen is as each of these levels, when a change is made, that change is cached, and Eshwar is going to get an approval, and when he approves it, then it's going to get routed to me, and then when I approve it, it's going to get routed to Gopal. And then if all 3 of us approve it, then the change is finally, committed to the underlying database. But we can also do we can do specific approvers. So if there's no rules or levels, I can just say, here, I'm always the approver. But I can also do it, kind of like we can do the row access based on rules. We can do this based on rules as well. So I can come here and create rules that says if the asset is retired, then Eshwar is the approver, or if the asset is not retired, then route it to error, for example. To make it easy for the demo here, I'm just going to set it to myself. And you notice a couple of things back over here is you notice my save button now says submit for review is the first one. So if I'm going to come in here and just make a single change, and I'm going to submit this for review. And I can optionally provide a description and a due date. And so what's happening behind the scenes is I just received a Teams notice letting me know that a team chat letting me know that I have an approval, and you'll notice that it saved the change into the back end to the system database, but it didn't change the underlying data. But it did give an indication that a change has been made. So I do have a visual indication that there's a pending change here. And because I'm the approver, I also see a toast notification here around the approval. So I can come in here and I can look at the details of the approval of the request, and it shows me the changes that have been made. So if I've made changes to multiple fields, it would show me that, the old and the new values here. And I have the ability to reject it. And if I reject it, the person will get a notification that it's been rejected, or I can approve it. And if I do approve it, then the change gets saved into the underlying database. So it's currently saving that change right now. And then if I come back over here, you'll notice the indicator is gone and it now says Apple Inc.